Introducing Manhole Aeration, a revolutionary new innovation from Wavcor International that lets you easily and cost-effectively add aeration to almost any hopper bottom bin. In just a few minutes, farmers can upgrade both smooth wall and corrugated bins with improved airflow, significantly enhancing grain quality without costly modifications. Manhole Aeration features a cylinder that can be used with Wavcor's Airblast fan or with any other brand of bin fan with 3 to 20 horsepower or more. This cylinder is perforated on the end and all the way around to allow air to exit from all sides. Fans connect to the cylinder through an air sock. When paired with a 20 horsepower fan, it delivers airflow of up to 3,000 cubic feet per minute, keeping your grain cool and dry. Installation is simple. The cylinder comes in 2 pieces that insert through the hopper's manhole. Once inside, the pieces assemble into one unit. The cylinder is then lowered onto the manhole flange. On the outside, 2 square tubes are bolted to the manhole aeration, forming a clamp over the existing manhole flange. No bin modifications required. When it's time to enter the bin, removal is just as easy. Simply remove the bolts on the bars, slide the cylinder down into the bottom of the hopper, and gain full access to the bin. After cleaning, reposition the cylinder, reinstall the locking tubes, and reconnect your fan. If aeration is no longer needed, the entire cylinder can be removed from the bin in a matter of minutes. Manhole aeration also adds versatility to your operation. Fertilizer bins become dual-purpose. Use aeration with grain in the fall, then remove it in spring for fertilizer storage. Seed bins benefit too. The design prevents seed buildup inside the cylinder, reducing cleaning and cross-contamination. With this system, upgrading grain storage is affordable, efficient, and requires minimal effort. A true advancement in grain conditioning and drying technology. For more information on Wavcor International's manhole aeration system, visit wavcor.ca.